Hello everyone. Today's topic is a respiratory system. Main function of a respiratory system is to supply oxygen and remove of carbon dioxide. Respiration is actually four distinct processes. First is ventilation, that movement of air into and out of the lungs. Second is external respiration, gas exchange between blood and air filled chamber of lungs. And third is transport of gases, and last is the internal respiration, that gas exchange between systemic blood and the tissue cells. And the functions of respiratory system, such as exchange of O2, that air to blood and blood to cells, then exchange of CO2, that cells to blood and blood to air, regulate the blood pH, vocalization, protect alveoli. um, Organs include in a respiratory system are nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and the alveoli. It is divided into a respiratory and conducting zone. Gas exchange with the blood occurs in the respiratory zone. It does not occur in the conducting zone. And conducting zones transport clean, warm, and humid incoming air. Then next part of a respiratory system is a nose. Only externally visible part of the respiratory system. A function of nose, that provide an airway for respiration, moistening and warming the air, filtration and inspired air, and serving as a resonating center for speech and housing of olfactory receptors. And second part of respiratory system are pharynx. Pharynx are funnel shaped and connect the nose, nasal cavity and mouth, and superiorly to the larynx and esophagus. uh, and three region of pharynx, such is superior to inferior, such as nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. First part of region of pharynx is nasopharynx. Only an air passage during swallowing the soft palate and its uvula, and move superiorly and close it off. It is lined by respiratory epithelium. Then high on its posterior wall, it is a pharyngeal tonsils which trap enter pathogens. The auditory tubes open into the lateral walls. And the second part of the region of pharynx are oropharynx. It lies posterior to the oral cavity and extend from the soft palate to epiglottis, and allows passage of the food and air, lined by non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. And last region of pharynx is laryngopharynx, and it lies laryngopharynx lies posterior to the epiglottis and extend to larynx, where the respiratory and digestive paths diverge. Common passage for both the food and air, lined by stratified squamous epithelium. And second part of the next part of respiratory system are larynx. Larynx attached to the hyoid bone and opens into the laryngopharynx. Inferiorly, it continuously with the trachea. And the main task of the larynx are provision of patient airway, patent or airway for air and food, rerouting of air and food to proper pathways, and voice production. Larynx consists of intricate arrangement of nine cartilage connected by membrane and ligaments. Larynx is closed by the epiglottis during swallowing. And next part of the respiratory system is trachea. Trachea is a descent from the larynx to the mediastinum, and ends by dividing into two primary bronchi at mid-throat thorax. It contains three layers: mucus, submucous, and adventitia. And trachea mucosa contains pseudostratified ciliated epithelium with the goblet cells. And smoking destroy respiratory cilia. necessity coughing from mucus population. Submucosa contains seromucous glands produce the mucus that lies the trachea. And say next part of the respiratory system is bronchi and their subdivisions. Each bronchus runs obliquely into the mediastinum before plugging into the media dispersion, that is hilus, and of lungs on its own side. Inside the lungs, the primary bronchi divide into the secondary bronchi, and three on the right and two on the left, each of which supplies one lung lobe. And the secondary bronchi become tertiary bronchi, and so on until 23 branching has occurred. This yield the bronchial trees, and the passage with diameter of less than 1 mm in are bronchioles, and terminal bronchioles are the last portion of the conducting zones. Then respiratory illness, some of the respiratory illness such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, and emphysema, pulmonary edema. Pneumonia is an infection of your alveoli, usually by bacteria or viruses, including coronavirus that causes COVID-19. Tuberculosis, that pneumonia that slowly get worse and caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Emphysema means emphysema happens when the fragile link between alveoli and are damaged. Smoking is the usual cause. Emphysema also limit airflow, affecting air pathways. Next is a pulmonary edema. Fluid leak out of the small blood vessels of your lungs into air sac and the area around them. And next illness of the respiratory tract is lungs cancer. It has many forms and may start in part of your lungs. It most often happens in the main part of your lung or near the air sacs. And acute respiratory disease syndrome, that this is severe sudden injury to the lungs from serious illness. COVID-19 is one of the example. Many people who have ARDS need help breathing from machines called as ventilator until their lungs recover. And last is pneumoconiosis. This is a category of condition caused by inhaling something that injures your lungs. Example include black lung disease from coal dust and asbestos from uh, asbestos dust. So this is all about respiratory tract.